Hello guys, this is Mottrol International Inc. Today I'd like to introduce MTM02 travel model. It can use for 1 to 1.5 tons excavator, and they have for 4 pipes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and connection with the body. They have 8 holes, and the diameter of the bolt is 10 mm. And they have the diameter of the model here is 140 mm. On the other side, hold on. The side connecting with the sprocket, they have total 9 holes, and also the bolt diameter is 10 mm, and the inner diameter of the sprocket is 140 mm. Thank you. If you are interested in our products, welcome to contact us by email. Mottrol USA is mottrol@gmail.com. Thank you.